A current state budget proposal cuts funding for Shoreline East rail line, but advocates want to get that money back next year.
NBC political reporter Mike Savino is live at the Capitol with more on that. And Mike, do they have a chance at this?
Well, it'll be interesting to see, Amanda and Kevin. This budget cut comes from Governor Ned Lamont last year, pointing out that ridership on Shoreline East has been down since the pandemic. But riders say that less service, fewer riders, and some lawmakers agree.
If you don't provide frequent, reliable service, you don't get people to go on the trains.
Rail advocates are pushing to restore services to the Shoreline East line. The number of trains running between New Haven and New London are down significantly, and the legislature is looking to increase funding by $30 million.
This is an important rail line for the shoreline.
I think the state needs to do a better job promoting Shoreline East Rail.
Lawmakers say they ultimately accepted a cut proposed by Governor Ned Lamont last year. Transportation Commissioner Garrett Eucalito says his department will ultimately do whatever's in the budget, but he also noted ridership is way down. The DOT runs just under half the trains it did pre-COVID, but Shoreline East ridership has plummeted by nearly 3/4, from 660,000 in 2019 to 177,000 last year.
As telework has now become very common, most of those individuals are not going into work 5 days a week.
Eucalito said the state would also need to hire crew and hold public hearings before ramping up service. But lawmakers say riders won't come if the service isn't there. They suggest shifting trains to meet the changing need.
Maybe Mondays aren't a big work day, so does the service shift a little bit to Tuesday through Thursday?
Rail advocates, meanwhile, say an increase in service and even a potential expansion are crucial for southeastern Connecticut, both economically and environmentally.
If we really want to deal with congestion on our highways, we have to provide the public with an alternative.
Now, more on that expansion. People in southeastern Connecticut say that we could see more riders if we added stops to both the east and west on the Shoreline East. Is that possibly going to be in this budget talks? I'll have more coming up at 5:30. For now, live from the Capitol, Mike Savino, NBC Connecticut News. Kevin, back to you.